Hi, Aquarius. This is your second half of October reading, and this is a general reading for the Aquarius. And this might or might not resonate, but if it does resonate, please do consider subscribing the channel. You can also write any question that you have in your mind, Aquarius, either about love or career, in the comment section below, and I will answer in a yes or no manner that question. Now, coming to your reading, Aquarius, we have, okay, you can see that the second half of October is a very good time for most of you, right? Festival seasons always bring happiness, isn't it? So we have this, and we have Six of Pentacles in the bottom of the deck. A very beautiful energy, Aquarius. Very beautiful energy. Okay, so those of you who had a breakup recently or you were in a no contact situation with your partner, this has become a no contact reading, I can see. So, but if you were having a no contact relationship with your partner, or if you had a breakup recently and you were confused about this relationship, whether this is the right person or not, whether I should be with this person or not, and where is this relationship going, if you have any of these questions, then the universe has the answer for you, Aquarius. The person that you are dealing with here is a very silent person. They are not very reciprocative, or they do not talk much, they do not express their feeling much, but they admire you, they highly admire you. We have a reconciliation card. So the person that you're dealing with here, they are totally in love with you. If you are not in touch with this person, very soon you will be in touch, and they will contact you. And we have King of Cups, High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, clearly saying that the person that you are dealing with, they have a lot of feeling for you. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you might be dealing with the Earth sign. And this connection that you have with this person, it's a soul level bond. Okay, so emotional distance and silence is present right now. This is what you can see from the spread, but it is not going to stay for long. And somehow you both connect with each other even when you are distant from this person, or they are away from you. You people communicate energetically. Okay, so this is how spiritual this relationship is with you. Now, moving forward, we have Wheel of Fortune, which clearly makes it uh, you know very, it's a perfect time, which says that the wheel is moving in your favor. If you are not going to take any step, the universe will. And this is the right moment when you are going to get what you want. You are going to have the person. And for a very few of you, I can see that there was a third party situation, and your person was not in touch with you because of this third party. So in the second half of the October, they are going to get away from third party, and they are going to come to you. This is what I can see. And you are still wondering whether it will happen or not. You're very confused. You're not in your best state right now, Aquarius. But universe says that the second half of October has a lot to offer to you right now. And this is the second half of October is about celebration. So all the curse that you had in the previous time, in the back days, it is going to end, and it is going to end very beautifully. Destiny is aligning you two together, and there will be clarity, there will be communication, healing, and the relationship that you have with this person, this is a very pure connection. It's a very soulmate kind of energy, and you guys are somehow connected to each other. You feel this thing that you are connected to this person from the past life. And they are somehow the one that you always had in your past life, you are going to have in the present. You have him in the present, and you are going to have him or her in the future. So it's a very familiar soul who is holding your heart peace since ages, since the beginning of the mankind. Okay, we have the water sign, we have air sign, and water always balances air, because water is very emotional and air is very mental and logical. So you guys complement each other, you guys balance out each other. So Aquarius, you are all about logics, you are all about clarity, reasoning, and things making sense. And your better half is all about intuitions and the soft part. They deal with the soft part, they deal with the emotional part. You are very strong headed, very strong minded, and whenever you feel lost, they are the one who hold you and tell you that it's okay to be vulnerable. You can be that. There's nothing wrong in being emotional. So this is the overall energy, Aquarius. It's a very beautiful spread. I'm loving your spread. And we have this message for you that the love has its own divine timing. Okay, so if something is meant for you, even if that thing is away from you, that it is going to circle back and come to you when you are ready to have that thing. Okay, when you're healed, when you're honest, when you're complete. And when you will be in love with yourself, the world will be in love with you. So if you have any confusion, if you have any um, healing part left inside you, you're still struggling with something, some past relationship or some past experiences which are not in your favor, and you are affected by that and you're still struggling with it, try to work on that, try to improvise that. And I can see that you are in a very egoistic energy right now, Aquarius. You are egoistic is very sharp word, but I would say that you are in that energy where you do not listen to anyone, you try to control everything. Do not try to control things that can't be controlled by you. Let universe do its work. Okay, and try to understand not only your perspective but the perspective of your partner as well. They are truly in love with you. This is very clear from the king of up. They are not confessing it, and they are not saying it, but that doesn't mean that they are not in love. Okay, for very few of you, this might also be a case where they have a secret admirer who is looking for an opportunity to confess their feeling, but because of your high uh, high level attitude, or your you have this aura where people are scared of you, so they're scared to confess this thing to you. But in the second half of the October, you expect that this person is going to gather that courage and confess their feeling to you. This might happen very well. So this is the reading for Aquarius, and if you resonate, if the reading resonates with you, please do hit like